Hi everyone, my name's Oneida and I am Wardlene's sister. So today Wardlene asked me to come on to the YouTube channel to help you all with a request. So somebody requested that they really want to make a outro but they don't know how to make it. So today's video is how to create an outro using Canva. So keep on watching. See you soon.
Hi, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. So right now I'm going to screen share with you my laptop so we can get started on how to create an outro for your YouTube channel. So let me go and log in for you and I'll show you how to create an outro. Okay, just bear with me. Okay, so we're in. So this is how Canva looks like. We have the free version at this moment of time because our 30-day trial is up. But all the stuff what we need to do is pretty much for free. So unless you want to go very fancy and artsy, some of the stuff may cost you. Yeah, if you're in that Crown Pro stuff and you're using multiple ones, it's all gonna add up. But if you use all the free ones, hey, guess what? 0.00. You don't have to pay a dime. Free stuff. Free stuff's great. So to create an outro, you just have to write YouTube. YouTube outro. It pops up. The great thing about this, it has the dimensions. It's a set dimension, so which is going to be perfect for your outro. So before I get into how to create it, I'm just going to show you the outro card that we use for Wardlene's YouTube YouTube videos. So this is it. So this is what I've created for her. I think I created this within around the time of a fifth or sixth video. So this is what I've created. I use a template, of course, which I'm going to show you. I use a template. I kind of made it personal. Her colors, like bright colors, like myself, as well as I create one without the pin. Depending on when we add the video, does the video cover the pin or is the pin in the way? So I created two options, and I already downloaded these in advance. As well as I have a subscribe button. So this subscribe button I got from Canva as well, and this is under their pro section. So if you have the 30 days, download this. I got rid of the background. Around download, you can click on the transparency, and that will just of course leave the background white or pixelated, which is absolutely fine. Yeah, so definitely do that, because if you don't, you have to pay for it, and you don't want to pay for it because you know you can get it for free. So yep. So you have an option to create a blank one or to use their templates. So different templates, it's all optional. It's all up to you. If you want to create it by scratch, you can create it by scratch. If you want to use a template, you can use a template. So there's different options, different tastes for each person, which is absolutely great. The one that we used was this one. Yes, of course, the locations of these are different on the one of Wardlene's, because I, one second, moved them around. Well, literally, there's different ones. So yeah, I'll just pick the same one as I did for Wardlene's. So yeah, this is it. So you can up here, you can edit, you can create a name for it. So I'm just gonna call it Toby's Mock YouTube Outro, and that's automatically saved up there. And you also press undo, and then you can go back, and it's there. You see, this is the crown I'm talking about to try Pro. We already done it, so I don't think they will let us do it again. So these are elements, icon, text. So all the text here, some text here. You can click headings, and then you can write in here. You can find different fonts as well. Elements, you can write anything here. So here I got an arrow, the subscribe button, which I've used this one, and that's Pro because it has a crown. This one's for free because it doesn't have anything on it. It just says free. So really you can play around. They pretty much have everything you want. You just have to, sometimes it will take a while to find what you want, but when you find it, it's worthwhile. That's why you can upload stuff here as well. Any pictures or videos can upload up here. And you can upload videos, music, you can find music on here as well. But I'm sure somebody on YouTube will do a detailed review. But if you want to want me to do a detailed review, I'm happy to do that. Just let Wardlene know. So this thing, you can make it bigger so you can see how things look. And then, yeah, and you can use this to increase the size. I'm just going to say fit. Right, so first of all, I don't like the color. So you click in the box up here, you can change the color. So you can have this color, any color. Really, it's really up to you. You can have black, any color you want. You can pull it there and just move around how you want it to be. I like green, I like bright colors, so I think I might have mine. I'm just gonna make a random one like that color. This color's not too bad. The good thing is that it has a code number code, so you have Google Docs or pen and pencil, write down this code number, the color you really liked, write it down. So next time you come back in Canva, you'll be like, what is that color? It was a green, but I can't find it easily. Just remember what it was, write that, remember the code, find that code again, just type it in here, and bam, that color will pop up again. So always make a reference on the colors what you really like, write it down somewhere, and then if you're creating like a thumbnail or another outro, you don't like the way how the other one was, you can always put up here, write the color name, the color number or the color code, and it'll pop up right there for you. So I like this color. It's okay. So here I'm gonna do similar to Wardlene's. So yeah, I love about Canva, it has this little lines kind of tell you if you're in line with things. So I'll keep that here. I'm going to change this color, so I just highlight it. So here you got font. So these are the fonts. So you can always, you know, a font you want to do, you can put a font style up here. So some of these you can see is Pro. You still can use them, you just have to pay for them at the end of the day. Be creative. If you want something simple, keep it simple. It's really up to you. So I like it in white. White's not too bad. Yeah, white's not too bad. So we can have that. That's why you got different effects. You can have it with different effects. I want to have a black. Oh, nope, don't like that. You know, I'm just gonna press back. I don't really like how that actually looked. Yeah, I'll just keep it simple. And this, I think I will have it in black or pink. And I'll just highlight there, make that bold. I'll probably make that a bit bigger. I'll make that bigger. Also, you can write in here the number size. Yep, so I have that there. I'll just bring that there. As well as, because I'm going to try to keep it in the same font, I just right click and press copy, and then right click and press paste. It's going to be over there. Also for Canva, things get moved around, so if you want to make sure things are locked in place, you can literally click on this box, go over here, press lock. So look, you can't move it at all. That's a tip, but if you want to move it, just click on it and press unlock. Yes. So here I don't want that subscribe button at the bottom, so I'll just highlight it and delete, and I'll just say thank you. Thank you, and put that there. I might change the color. I might go for yellow. How does yellow look on this? Not that great. I need a nice bright popping color, so that's okay. Maybe red. Yeah, this is just a really mark one. This is, if this was mine, I will totally fix this up to a particular way, but I don't really have a YouTube channel, so so here you can literally move these blocks anywhere you want it to be. You don't have to keep them. You can just again right click, delete. So this is the circle I kind of use for Wardlene's, and I'm just make it a bit bigger. Let me unlock this and move it up a bit higher. The reason I'm doing it is because, say for example on YouTube, if you upload this as part of your end card and you want to add your YouTube icon so that your face or the image you have, and then people can hover over it and click on it. So I use this to have like an outline of Wardlene's picture, have like a nice outline, nice circle, and then somewhere like a placement always in the right place. So you can really play around with this. I think I might just make this a bit smaller. 8, and make this like, yeah, just make it a bit smaller and bring it up a bit higher so that the image, so that the little square can fit here in advance. The YouTube thing, the YouTube video, if you're going to link it back to a previous video, it has space here. Also note that if you use this and if you go and upload on YouTube and you realize when you add the box, so the next playlist here, and it looks like this is in a way, it's okay. Just go back in Canva, go back in Canva. So let's say you did that. You go back in Canva, go in home, go to all your designs, and yeah, I created a mock one yesterday. Actually looks better yesterday one, but you can go back in the design, click in it, and bam, it pops up, and literally just alter. So if you realize, oh, this circle's way too big, make it smaller. You realize, oh, there's not enough space, make your font a bit smaller or fix up a bit, download it, go back into your editing tool, put your new template back in there, then go back in YouTube, re-upload your video, make sure you copy and paste all the information you wrote previously, because it'd be so sad if you just clicked off and you just wrote a whole nice paragraph of explaining what your YouTube video was about. So copy and paste that somewhere, Google Docs, anywhere, Word document, just copy and paste that there. Once all that stuff and you re-uploaded, you can add this, re-upload it, go on to the end card area, and then you can mess around and see, okay, does it fit, does it not fit, do I need to change stuff, X, Y, and Z, and if it does fit, perfect. Then you have that copy, the second copy. So it's all trial and error, it really is. I'm not saying I got this right first time, no, I was here doing little fine details, and my sister kind of got annoyed, like, it's fine, it's okay, you don't have to, it's okay. And I'm like, no, it has to be good, I want it this way. So yeah, so I just, again, as I just did here, I just clicked on here and I just changed the color. What else you can add? You can add arrows. So you go in elements, let's use this arrow because I use this. So this arrow is a bit too big and it's white, and I'm gonna probably change it. So let's go for yellow. We can bring it down. So here you can move it. Use this to move it up and down and round and round, or you can flip it how you want it to be. Yeah, that's the thing I like about Canva. You can just flip things around if you want. Not everything will flip. It depends on what you actually what you actually want to do and what you want to upload. It all really depends. I use this to, yeah, so that's pointing there to subscribe. I might just bring this down a ditch so it has enough room, and I might bring this up a bit. It might be a little bit too big, but yeah, and this is enough space for the next video to go. So this box is, if you like how that is, you keep it like that. This box is really up to you. You can delete the whatnot. As you can see, they are grouped together. Oh, I moved it all the way around. So they are grouped together. If you want to delete, if you only want 2 of the boxes, you can delete them. So you just press ungroup. You click on that box. So you click off. You click on the first box. You can just press delete. Now it's 2. And now you only have 1. It really is up to you. So pretty much you can layer the boxes Oh, I want to group them. Let's group them. So yeah, that's that. What else? You can move these around where you want it to be. I'm just gonna say I'm gonna have it there. Follow the line. Get some ideas. Canva's trying to help us out. They're trying to help us out. Oops, let's go back. So yeah, literally all the things you've been doing, it all saves. Everything pretty much saves. So I think that looks okay. Again, this is just a mock. I'm just showing you things, like basic things, quick basic things you can do. But again, if you have time, you can really invest your time and make it very personal and creative for yourself, for your channel. It's your space, and hopefully people can accept that. So yeah, you can, this is like Google, Canva Google, if you want to say. So you can just, I don't know, search for like love hearts, and you kind of give you more realistic pictures. This is what these photos are, more like realistic pictures, whereas Elements is more cartoonish, animation based stuff and stuff like that. So I think that was okay. You can duplicate it, so you're like, I want 2 of these, instead of going copy and paste, just duplicate it, bam, quicker, 2 of them. So let's say this is what you like, this is what you want, then just gonna download. So you go here, download, and done. It's very, very simple, literally. I've probably mentioned this before, but again, if you want to always edit, you can always go back in all your designs and it will be there. As you can see right now, you'll be like, did you not have your background green? I did. So just press the return button and see if it'll pop up again, the color scheme. Okay, it didn't, but that's fine. You know why? Because when you click on it again, it will have your creation. Eventually when you go back onto all your designs, it will have this as the image other than that. So whatever image you changed and edited, it will have this one eventually. Maybe once you log off or click off all the tabs and come back on it, it will be right here. So this is how it looks. Not too bad, not too bad. Let's compare it to the other creation I did. Yeah, so clearly I spent loads of time making this. Not in lots of time, but I tried to make it very nice and prettier for my sister. So yeah, this one it's okay. It's not the best, but it's great for explaining what you can do. Make it as creative as you want. Yeah, so here I didn't have a dark harsh line. I removed that. I think I've just made it the same color as this green circle. Here I got that black line, so if I wanted, I could have just, that option, it was 2 colors, it was 2 colors. So one was black and I made this one pink. So I could have went into the one in the black one, the color, and I just changed that to pink, so it just be all pink or one color. Again, it's all up to you. So that is how it looked. So now I'm gonna go on Filmora 9 and show you how to add it in Filmora 9. The steps should be similar for other softwares, but if you're confused, I'm sure if you can write on YouTube and write YouTube and write your software down and how to upload an outro into it, someone hopefully would have a video out there for you.
So everyone, we're done! Yay! So hopefully you had a massive idea on how to create an YouTube outro for your videos. Even though it was a basic explanation, well, I hope it's basic, but it was a basic design. Hopefully you got some ideas on how to create your outros and how to make it very personal for your brand and for you and for your channel. So if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe. We really appreciate it. And remember, it's just an outro. You can always change it anytime. So yes, have fun and we'll see you soon. See you next week. Bye.